Hello everybody, so welcome, and we are going to make the new experiment. It's going to be electromagnets, and for those purpose I have something here in my desk, so let me show you. There you go. So we have, first we are going to need 3 nails. Yeah, we are going to make an experiment here, which we are going to make some coil in this one, then we are going to make more coils in this one, like a second coil in there, and then we try to make one coil in this big one. What we are going to try to learn or know is which of these ones with the same amount of power is going to be the most strong electromagnet. Okay, the other thing that you will need is this kind of copper wire. You know, you can find it very cheap in the Parisina, so it's like 20 pesos or something. So we are going to start coiling this one around. Okay, so let me do the first coiling. It can start clockwise or anti-clockwise. It doesn't matter. Okay, just please leave. You see here. Please leave some of the wire without coiling. Okay, we are going to attach the battery here, so if you want to leave a strong piece, it's going to be very good for us. Okay, later the both ends of the copper wire, oh sorry about that one, you need to sand it, okay, with sandpaper, so we can take out the M&L. There's a little paint here. They have a little paint there. So you see it there, this is the one that's shining, so you need to take out that one, so we have the raw copper there, so we can actually have the electricity flowing. Okay, so remember, you need to scrap the little paint that comes with the wire. You can use sandpaper or something like a plier or something. I'm going to use sandpaper to do it. Okay, so remember, take one nail and leave some of wire there, and we are going to start making the coil. Okay, you need to tighten it, you need to be very close to it, very close. Okay, and I'm going to cheat here and let me show you. I'm going to use my screwdriver so I can coil it down. Okay, so let me pause the video a little bit so I can coil it, and I will show you how it will stay there. You see it? So I can coil it down here. It's going to be easier for me, but if you don't have the screwdriver, you can do it by yourself. Oh, this little stuff here. Okay, so let me do it and I'll start the video again. So let me show you how I'm doing it. I hope you see over there. So I'm launching this one here. Oops, I made a mistake there. Very good. Keep it close, very tight, and there you go. It's quite easy to do it. Well, with the second nail, remember, we are going to give more coil today to it. Sorry. So the first one only has one coil around. For this second experiment, we are going to have three coils inside this in the same nail. Okay, so let me show you how I'm doing it. I hope you like it. I hope you can see it. So there it is. Very good. Remember to keep it tight always. You can use your nail. Yeah. So very good. Give some more copper wire there. And when I finish here, I will start doing the third coil round. Okay, so I'm going to start right now. There it goes. You see, we are doing a third coil around the nail. Okay, so when I finish the other thread, as you can see here, when I finish it here, I'll show you the final things. Okay, I still need to do the third one. Okay, I already finished. Let me make me a little small here. So as you can see, we have the first one, the first experiment, the second one, and I'm still going to make a coil for this one. Okay, I think I'm going to just give it like one turn around, just one coiled around, so we can test the experiment and test our hypothesis. Okay, if it's this one with one round of coiled is better than this one that has 3 rounds of coiled, or this one that's bigger and 1 round of coil. Okay, let me show you how in my zoom camera. Okay, so here, a little messy, but it has 3 rounds of coil. Okay, this one is better because it's just 1 round of coil, and later I'm going to put around 1 coil of copper around this one, so we can start the experiment. I will not show how it's done because it's the same thing as the other ones. Okay, so oh, I'm big again. So let me do it, and I'm coming back with you. Okay, bye bye. Okay, welcome back. We already finished. We already made the coils to the screwdriver. Oh, let me show you with the upper camera, please. Very good. Let me make me little. There we go. Okay, so we finished 3 parts of the experiment with the big screw. I choose to make 3 coils around because I need to have both sides of the wire in either side of the screw. If I only make 2, both of them will be in just one place. Okay. The next thing that you need to do is to sand out the tips of the wire. Okay. You need to take your sandpaper and start taking out the coating. Okay, it's a little coat of paint out of the wires. You can see there that actually is there the color. Yeah, let's change it. Let me switch to some camera. Okay, some camera. There you go. So as you can see over there, yeah, a little bit there. Yeah, very good. I think I put it here. There you go. You can see it. Okay, that change of color, the actually is a little bit more yellowish. That's a real color. That's a real copper. Okay, so you can take out the paint, the protection. Okay, the copper comes with this kind of color. Yeah, there you can see it's a little goldish. Okay, so that's a coat of paint. You need to take it out with the sandpaper to all of well, I do it with all our experiment. Okay, let me show you with all my experiments. Okay, but if you want to do it just one, the little one, this one with a lot of turns around, yeah, or the big one. Okay, so that's the way that you do your electromagnet. Okay, so in the class we see the difference between them. I hope you like it, and if you want to do it, just send me your picture, send me a video of the experiment. I will be very looking forward to see that experiment. Okay, so I'm still going to take out some of the painting of the other one, so I can do the experiment with you in class. Okay, see you. Bye bye.